Hi everyone. Today we're going to walk through the process of bridging your assets to Telegram's tonne network using OKX. This method is often simpler and more cost-effective than using dedicated bridges, especially for larger amounts. If you just signed up to OKX, you'll need to complete the KYC process. To do that, you would select your profile in the top right and then click verification. Then you would want to select individual account. Select the ID type that you want to do your verification with, system that you want to use, whether the webcam or mobile phone to do that verification. Then the verification process starts. If you did, for example, your driver's license, it would ask you to take a picture of the front, the back, and then you would go through a face verification process. It would be submitted, and it says it takes 24 hours, but when I did mine, it was pretty quick. The next step here is to deposit assets into OKX from the chain that you already have assets. You might need to swap those assets to something like a stablecoin like USDT, USDC, because not every asset and every chain is supported on OKX. Now you want to send the money to the address that you've just generated here. So you can see USDC, the network is Polygon, and this is the address. So I'm going to copy that. And then I go to MetaMask and I check that I have the correct network, that I have the correct asset, and then send to the address that I've just generated. Now you need to wait for the transaction to be confirmed. This can take anywhere from 5 to 30 minutes depending on the network. Now that you have a stablecoin in your wallet, the next step is to swap that for tonne. So go up to the search box and then search for tonne, and then ideally whichever stablecoin you deposited. Then you can go and make a trade. So you would purchase the amount of tonne that you want to buy. So that'll mean in your OKX wallet, you now have tonne, which you can then use to withdraw to the Telegram ecosystem. You'll need to set up a wallet to receive the bridged tokens. I recommend to use 𝗧𝗶𝗺𝗀𝗀. It supports both 𝗀𝗀s, which are kind of like the ERC20 or the tokens on the tonne network, as well as the tonne token. But for today, I'm just going to be purchasing tonne and bridging that, and that really, pretty much any of the wallets support that. Here's the wallet that I set up in 𝗧𝗶𝗺𝗀𝗀. So what I would do here is I would tap receive, and then that would give me the address that I can send funds to receive into this wallet. And so I would tap copy here and then paste that into the address that the funds are to be sent to. Now when you go to assets, you'll see that you have tonne in your wallet. And so what you'll want to do is to go to withdraw, select tonne, select on-chain, and now you'll enter in the address that is from your wallet. You enter amount, and then you'll process your transaction. While the transaction's being processed, you'll be able to come to the bottom of the page here and track the status of the withdrawal. And then once it's completed, it will show like it does here. It'll show in your history, and you can open it and it will show the transaction that was made on chain for the withdrawal. And that's it. So you can see now that the wallet has received the tonne that I transferred, And so now from here, I'm able to interact with it on the Ton ecosystem. Some tips to keep in mind when bridging with OKX. So always double check the addresses and network selections. This is something that is, if you send your funds to the wrong address or network, then you won't be able to recover it. Be aware of the fees. So OKX does charge a withdrawal fee. It's actually very low, so it's not something that you really need to be concerned with too much, but it's just something to be aware of. And then usually what you should do if you're not confident is to start with a small test transaction. If you have any questions or you're getting stuck with the process in any way, please feel free to join my Telegram group where I'm happy to help you out as much as you need. Thank you.